My name is Karijah Pinckney. I was at Brookstone from the age of 5 in kindergarten. I was one of the early kindergarten classes, so I had a great experience and I got to watch the school grow. So had I not been a part of Brookstone, I wouldn't have the life that I have now, and I wouldn't have accomplished the things that I accomplished, because when you have teachers who are showing you care, you have administrators who are showing you love, I don't know, it was just something about that. Like my mom, she always took me to church. I've been in church since I was a baby. But when you come to a school that also teaches you about God, now you can't just throw God to the wayside when you get to school. Now you're learning about Him. You're learning more about the Bible. You're learning more about the truths of the Bible and how it relates to real life. So it gave me a foundation that I could build on for a lifetime.
In 20 years, a lot has changed at Brookstone. Brookstone's place of residence, the numbers, the amount of additional opportunities, the number of staff, the setting has definitely improved, but what has not has been their mission. Brookstone empowers every individual to be the best they are.